Abantu bagira ngo abakozi ba NIRA batwire nibashaba abantu sente ziri hagati y'50,000 hamwe n'30,000 batakatungire ndangamuntu. Abantu bashobora ngu bamwe ahari bo tibakatungire ndangamuntu zaabo ahabw'okubura sente zobaine kubahereza kandi obwe ekishemeye kuba kiri ekyabusha. Abataka b'ekyaro kya Kitakara omu gombora ya Kyangwari barikugamba n'omunyamakuru waitu bashobora kwenda ndangamuntu zaabo obu zareetwa omu kyanga kyabo bakashaba kushashura sente kutandikira 50,000 buri omwe ow'abakozi ba NIRA obwe batakatungire ndangamuntu zaabo.
Nk'abantu omuka bangambira ngu endangamuntu bazireesera bbayi hati nanyo nyaimuka nyeje kutabana endangamuntu galima nano endangamuntu yange bagisoma nyaye bulire ibara nyabagamba mu bintu bagamba agenda kuli kubanza kugenda mu kompyuta nyagenda mu kompyuta ngateekayo ekyamaiso kyonka bagimpa kyonka okugenda gimpa ukagwanza bangamba 50,000 nyaba 50,000 bagimpa nyata
sente mutwaro 50,000 batoke 50,000 batugamba tutabaza.
Vincent Opio obira chairperson wa district ya Kikube nashobora ngu batwire nibatunga amakuru aga uko abantu abayemba shaba sente kandi nagira ngo bamwe ubwa hati bakwasirwe. Opio nashobora ngu ekizibu eki kine kukoraho munonga na munonga bucuru kukwataho aha district.
Abakoro baitu kuruga mu ofisi ya NIRA abandi mu kikaro kyo kugabira abataka runda abantu baitu endangamuntu zaabo kandi ziri zabusa baitu bondi babasaba sente kintu kibi muno kandi tubaire takakihulire kuruga kono mu Kyangwari baitu handogo nkakaboya na mbere twagihulire enyuma oko twakora kyone kikusoboka oli omukozi omuntu kamwebereza omulimo ondi abaire ha parish level bakamusiba and then things of the kind.
Jen Arisemera Babiha yashaba ebembezi ba NIRA okurebuka ngu barabira abakozi baabo abo kubeki njija kuteganisa na mnonga hamutezi w'akaruru wa NRM orije kuremwa kushashura endangamuntu ye kandi endangamuntu ni kimwe aha bintu ebirikwetagwa hakuteera akaruru.
They are saying, they are alleging that NIRA, the NIRA people have refused to give them IDs. They've refused to give them IDs. They give you only when you pay 30,000. When one person talked about it and the whole crowd was excited, they said, yes, all our IDs are still there. So we don't know what we are going to use during the elections.
Ibyo bikiri bityo urukura byo kwehanditsa muri Kikube district Huzaifa Arneitwe yashobora ko kutunga endangamuntu kuyo kwabusha kandi abakwaya akasente bakahayo bekundire ngo kandi tikishikire cyo kugira ngo buri muntu we narakuza kutunga endangamuntu abanze yashashura akasente.
But we are not issuing cards in the field. We are not. I think that is just political. Because we are not issuing cards in the field. We are not doing registration. So I don't understand. Yeah, we were issuing like 3 weeks back, and we are doing issues. But then I was instructed to withdraw the cards from the field. So as of now, there's no issuance in the field. I can't be sure it's not happening, but as of what I'm sure of that we are not doing issuance now. So those are allegations, clients, things that is free of charge. So that it's known by everyone, free of charge.
Gasha kwa gada saba awatayari West.